What you got? You finally got in? You got in! Huh? No? Where's your toy? That's my happy girl. My happy girl. There you go. Ain't you happy? What you got in there? Huh? Кабанчик такой. А? Oh God, look. Got your treats. Got more? Got more in there? Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Open. There you go. See? They're inside. Get them. Get it. Look at the big hole she made. She ate it. Well, she chewed it up, and most of the pieces I found. How about this one? Look, it has a treat inside. Yeah, come on, get it. Get it. Get it. Woo, good. Nah, she just wants food to be fed to her. How about this one? Ah, what's in there? Is there a treat? Is there a treat in there? Get so busy. Okay. That's her favorite toy that she is not hurting. She's taking care of it. Look, it's her baby. Still need to finish organizing some of her things. But I'm so happy that she's in a good mood. She's happy, energetic. It's like she just woke up from that state that she was in for some time. So happy to see her like this again. A crazy little girl that I fell in love with, right? It's okay, it's just a car. Somebody's backing up, baby. Come here. Kiki, somebody's just backing up. There you go. There you go. What? Hey. Oops. No. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Apparently I'm in her way. You know, this whole house is hers. I just live here. Just here to feed her, take care of her. Right, baby? I wouldn't have it any other way. Love her to death. Slippery little thing. Ay, ay, ay. And that's what she was doing earlier.